fellas, good morning once again, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Now you can see this sunny sky, sun is now come out, so it is sunny day now. And guys, there's really not much to talk about. I'm still thinking as I'm speaking about what video to make for you guys. One thing I can think of maybe because I was watching one interview yesterday from Joe Rogan podcast. So I was thinking because I think sometimes what if Joe Rogan called me for an interview on his show, and how will I answer this question? So maybe I can make a video about how to prepare for Joe Rogan interview in case you are called to Joe Rogan to participate in his podcast, a very famous podcast. So let us start. First I would study about aliens and ancient civilization and Anunnaki and Sumerians and Göbekli Tepe and Amazon River and also pyramid in Egypt. So I will study about all these ancient civilization and a little bit about because I think because Joe Rogan thinks all of this was made by aliens, so it is good. So then when he is talking and asking you questions, you are not clueless. So yes, I will prepare this subject, first subject, and then I would also study or watch some comedy videos because Joe Rogan is comedian and there are only about 200 comedians in the world and they are very important people because I don't know, they are very brave people because they say things that may be cancelable in this society. And there is one aeroplane I'm trying to show you guys. So I can't see in the screen, but I hope you can see. It is above the tree. I think I see it now, maybe not. But anyway, guys, and there is one helicopter also. Helicopter, and aeroplane. Wish you both a safe journey. Happy flight. Okay, guys. So I will learn about aliens, and second thing I would learn about comedians because comedians are very brave people and there are only a handful of them, and Joe Rogan is one of the very famous comedians in the world. He's made a lot of money, many comedy shows he's done and he also runs a comedy club now. So that is one more topic I would like to know about before I go on his show. And then I will also need to do some hunting with the bow and arrow and eat some elk meat so I can tell him how elk meat tastes and how good it is. And then there is what else? Oh, of course I will have to take some DMT drugs or whiskey. I will have to drink something or smoke something, so that I could be sociable with him. And what else Joe Rogan like to talk about? Maybe little bit politics about Joe Biden and Donald Trump. Yes, I will have to study that also to go on his show. And also UFC, I will have to learn about fighters, but I'm already interested in UFC, so I think I can talk to him about a UFC little bit, not a lot, because he is expert, I'm just a fan. And of course, martial arts, yes, I forgot, martial arts is jiu-jitsu and wrestling, and how jiu-jitsu is the best martial art because jiu-jitsu you cannot choke out anyone, and size does not matter in jiu-jitsu and age does not matter in jiu-jitsu. So jiu-jitsu is a very important topic that I will have to know about. Maybe I have to take some classes and practice some jiu-jitsu myself. I don't know any jiu-jitsu, rubber guard, butterfly guard, and gi, no gi, and what are the terms in jiu-jitsu, leg lock, and I don't know that. that is all I know about Jiu-Jitsu. So Jiu-Jitsu, I would have to study about and practice some Jiu-Jitsu. And what else? Joe Rogan conspiracy theories also. I know some conspiracy theories, and I can, if Joe Rogan talks, we can maybe I can discuss with him. Uh, and guys, what do you think? What else the topic do I need to prepare to go on Joe Rogan? So, if I'm invited, I'm not saying that I'm invited, but if I'm invited, then what else should I know about which topic? I think most important topic is aliens and ancient civilization. I don't have to know about God or anything, any religion, because Joe Rogan does not believe in God. So that is okay. The aliens are more important than God. And I hope he has Brendan Schaub and the other Jiu-Jitsu guy, what's his name? Eddie Bravo on the show, then we can have good time talking and drinking, smoking. Maybe I should learn about electric car also. Guys, that is all I can think about right now. I mean, if I keep thinking that it will take a long time, so I will end the video. Maybe you can write in my comment what else I should study for Joe Rogan, so that I make a good show with Joe Rogan. So I look forward to reading your comments, and I hope I have a good day, and I hope you have a good rest of the day today. Like I said, it's July 5th, 2024, Friday, and most likely payday. I think it is payday. I'm quite sure. I will just have to check if there is some money in my bank account. So guys, I hope everything is good. Be happy, enjoy my video, like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. I need some more subscriber. I only have 30 subscriber. I need 1000 subscriber at least. And then I will make more videos for you guys. Okay, so enjoy. I hope Euro Cup matches are good. And then I will talk to you. I hope I can make some more video in the evening. Okay guys? Alright then. Toodle people. Train by day, Joe Rogan podcast by night. All day.